Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you another very interesting topic we can do with the help of OP. See, here I have taken the same example. See, I think I already taken this example in my previous video. So here I've just written a class called person. This class takes two parameter called name and country. And here I'm defining some class object, you can see. So I've defined P1 object, P2 object, and P3 object. And every time I'm passing some new value, okay, inside that. Now, just let me know if I just write L is equal to, let's say if I take a list and inside that, if I just store P1, P2 and P3. And now if I print this particular L, so is it possible? Yes or no? Let me know. Is it possible? See, it is also possible. You can also store a class object inside a list. Okay, lists. Then you can also store inside a dictionary. Okay, it is possible. That means here we are trying to store collection of class objects inside a list. Okay, now see if I execute the program, you'll see that it will show you the object. Okay, it will show you the P1 object, P2 object, and P3 object. We can easily store it. And now it will work as a normal list. So whatever list actually we used to perform, we can also perform here. Let's say I'll just apply a for loop. So I'll just write for I in L. Then if I print this particular I, it will print me all the object of this particular class. You can see different class. Now it's a class object actually. Now you can perform all the operation, whatever operation I was to perform with the object. Now see, if I just simply write I dot name, comma, I dot country, it will show me the name and country. Okay. See, Bappy UK, Alex USA, Ahmed India. Okay. So that's how we can store collection of class object inside a data structure, like list data structure, dictionary data structure. Okay. So whatever data structure supports actually mutable data type, you can store there. Okay. Now just let me know, can I store this class object inside a tuple or inside a sets or not? Just try to let me know in the comment. Thank you.